That cute snoring kid? It might be your child's biggest health red flag. It is common for children to snore for a few days or weeks when they have a cold or another respiratory virus. It becomes concerning, Dr. Sarrah said, when snoring persists for 3 months or longer. It's especially concerning if your child does not sleep well throughout the night, chokes, gasps, or stops breathing for short periods during sleep. These may be signs that your child is experiencing sleep-related breathing disorder (SDB), sleep apnea, or OSA. And now this isn't normal. It's alarming parents. So, if your child's snoring isn't just occasional, it may be your first red flag. What's behind it? Let's uncover the real causes in the next part.